Cafe Jean Paul in the house. I met plenty of puff girls. Let me tell you, Rawda, that's my bitch. That's my nigga. Well, look at her. Look. Rawda will curse your ass out in a second. Okay? This is her side piece. He comes out and helps sometimes. You see, look at him. Look, say hello.
Hey.
So, look at this. So, I am eating some Kebe with yogurt. Look at that. So, what's inside of here is battered like a dough batter. What's that Kebe? Huh? Yogurt, but what is the Kebe?
Yeah.
Meat and nuts.
Oh, beef.
Meat and nuts.
Beef and nuts.
And nuts. So, yeah, so this is wheat and stuff inside is beef and nuts. And I think it's beef nuts, right? Okay, so it's almost like that. And I'm almost finished mine right here, right? And let me tell you something, guys. It tastes so good. Look at how it's coming in. Look at how I'm eating it in my mouth. So good. Look at that. Regarde chez vous êtes! Les bonnes bouches pas! Maman, j'ai ça bien! Bon Dieu! Ça c'est Rawda avec Kebe with yogurt. Bouze bouze! Mais mangez bien, regardez. Regardez qui ça m'a mangé. Regardez. Ça c'est toute sauce là. Toute sauce là ici. Regardez le bouche, man. Où est ça? Regardez. So freaking good. I love it. Look at this. Look like that. So bad. That's how good it is. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Cafe Jean Paul in the house. Kebe, bitches.